Hi, I'm Dan with WeBoost, and today we're here at Dixie 4-Wheel Drive, and I'm here with Bryce. We're going to go over a few awesome gadgets that you can take on your next adventure.
Hey, I'm Bryce with Dixie 4-Wheel Drive, and we're here at our St. George, Utah location. And as many of you know, we have some of the greatest trails. We're going to talk about a few different gadgets that I carry in my vehicle and things that I think you should have in yours. Starting with the Garmin Dash Cam. It's a lot of fun to get cool footage of my expeditions so I can share it with my friends and family later. The Dash Cam is perfect for that. It has a 2.1 megapixel camera with 1080p video capture. It shoots regular video and photos, as well as time-lapse. The 180-degree field of view lets you capture more of the environment you're driving in. Another fun feature is that it uses voice control, so it can be safe and keep your hands on the wheel. With the Dash Cam, you'll be able to capture and share some awesome footage of your next adventures. Up next is the WeBoost Drive Sleek. It's really nice for when you're down in the canyons and trails and you have a little bit of service, but you need a little bit more, so you can actually make the phone call out or get the text message out. Something everyone should have when you're in a place that's kind of remote. Gadget number 3 is a Garmin GPS system that everyone should have in those times of emergency, and to tread lightly and stay on the trails, know where you're at and know where you're going. When you're hitting the trails, it's so important to be prepared in case of an emergency. If something goes wrong or you get lost and you have absolutely no signal, you want to have some sort of backup. A great option is this GPS system by Garmin. This system allows you to explore terrain maps and has built-in electronic compass which shows you where you're heading even when you're standing still. And you don't even need to hold it level. The last one's a little bit of a bonus. The Solid Axle Survival Guide app is a great tool for off-roaders. It's a comprehensive guide to surviving any situation anywhere in the world. The app is available for iPhone and Android for about $6.
All right, Bryce, thanks for showing me these gadgets.
You bet.
All right, so if there's any other off-roading device that we haven't mentioned, please leave them in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel where you see new videos like this every week.